Hi everyone, this is Miss Bothwell. In today's video, you are going to learn some of the capitalization rules. Let's first look at the acronym MINTS. MINTS is an acronym to help us remember what we should capitalize. So the M stands for months. You should always capitalize the months of a year. For example, March, December, June. I stands for the pronoun I. I by itself should always be capitalized. N stands for names. You should always capitalize the names of a person, a place, states, country. For example, Miss Bothwell, or Texas, or the United States. The T in Mint stands for titles. Titles of a movie, titles of books, titles of a CD, album. So Harry Potter, Frozen, and the S stands for the start of a sentence. Always capitalize the first letter at the beginning of a sentence. So let's look at another rule. When to capitalize mom or dad. First, we have to look at the context of the sentence to see if the term mom or dad are used as their name or is just used as a general term. So a good trick is to see if the person's name could fit into the sentence. If it can, then it is most likely to be capitalized because it will be considered a proper noun. So for example, for a while, neither Dad nor I felt like picking up the phone. In this example, Dad is capitalized because it's being used as his name. So if we could replace Dad with a name and it makes sense, then it should be capitalized. So for example, if I were to say, for a while, neither Michael nor I felt like picking up the phone. Since it made sense to take out the word dad and replace it with the name Michael, therefore dad is considered a proper noun and it should be capitalized. However, looking at the next example, says, for a while, neither my dad nor I felt like picking up the phone. So if I were to take out the name dad and replace it with Michael, in this sentence, let's see if it makes sense. For a while, neither my Michael nor I felt like picking up the phone. That does not fit in this sentence because I have the word my there. So therefore, dad is not used as a name or a proper noun. It's just a general term. So therefore, I will not capitalize dad. And this is the same goes for mom as well. So remember, try putting the name into the sentence to see if it makes sense. So let's look at an example. It says, for more than 120 years, the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse has been warning ship captains, capital, or captains, lowercase, of shallow sandbars of the coast of North Carolina. So we're looking at specifically if captains should be capitalized or not. And in this case, captains should not be capitalized. The reason is because we are not given the name of a specific captain. If we were to say ship Captain Michael, then we would then capitalize it. Also, always capitalize brand names because they are a name. So like Jordans, Vans, Kleenex, Adidas. Apple. Those items are brand names, which should be capitalized. So let's look at titles before the names. So if we were to have Professor Williams, we would capitalize the P on Professor. Or Uncle Ben, we would capitalize the U on Uncle. Or President Obama, we would capitalize the P on President. However, if we had uh, just a general term that said the nursing professor, then we would not capitalize the P on professor. Or if I were to just say my uncle, then I would not capitalize the U on uncle. Or the president of our stamp collecting club, we would not capitalize the P on president. Languages. So you always capitalize languages. So, for example, French fries should be capitalized, or English muffins. These should be capitalized. However, if I were to just say, if I were to just say fried potatoes, I'm not going to capitalize it, but I will capitalize the F because it's a name of a language for French. So, regions of a country, you will capitalize north, south, east, or west when a direction is used as a region. That is when you would capitalize it, like the south, the northeast, the west. However, in cases such as these, you will not capitalize. So when a direction is used to tell someone where to go, it is not capitalized. For example, the east exit, or North San Juan, or Southern California. Those would not be capitalized. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this was very helpful.